Welcome to my Audio Tips and Tricks YouTube channel. In this video, I offer some tips for making the best use of this device. To use the FiiO DM15 CD player as a CD ripper, you will first need to have a USB stick that has a USB-C interface. And I'll plug this into the back of the DM15 into the slot called USB in. And it would look like that. So the CD player is in desktop mode. So I'll first turn it on. Let it read the CD. It's read the CD and there's 11 tracks on there. Enter the menu mode with one long press on this volume control selector knob. Select record mode. One quick press will set it into record mode. And start playing. You can see RC in front of the track timing information, and that means it's recording this particular track. And when you stop playing, the record mode also stops. As a CD ripper, it only uses USB-C storage devices, preferably under 32 gigabits. I tried using a USB-A storage device, and even with a USB-A to C adapter, the memory stick did not work. Although it can write to a USB device, it cannot read the contents of a USB device, such as music files. So it can't play music files directly.